Hi everyone, the stable FreeCAD 1.1 is finally here. You can go to the download page to find the installer for your system. And it's faster and smarter than ever. Today I will show you a quick example that demonstrates how these new features can really speed up your workflow. First, let's create a new body and create a new sketch on the XY plane. Then draw a circle on the origin. Set the diameter to 15. Next, go to Polyline. Draw the outline. Here, press the M key to change the mode to arc and draw the arc to another point. Then draw a line in the middle. Next, coincide these two centers. And press the D key to add dimension. Set the distance of the middle line to be 18, and this outer line to be 60, and the radius to 15. Okay, now the sketch is full constraint, close it. Then you will find the faces are highlighted. You can select the sketch and go to select the internal faces. Or go to the preference. Now you can also press the Ctrl and comma key to access. And now you can search the item in the preference, the internal faces. Then check this one, generate the internal faces. It's under the sketch, general. Then apply it. Okay. Now we can select the face and press the Ctrl key to select another face and go to Pad. And we can drag this arrow to adjust the length and rotate it to add a table angle. Here set the table angle to 0 and set the length to 9. Then click OK. Let's hide this body and show the sketch. Select this face and we can pad it again. Set the length to 30. Click OK. After that, create another sketch. You will see the plane enlarged when we move the cursor on it. It's easy for us to select a plane. Next, go to the external projection and go to the pull down list and find the external intersection. It creates the external geometry based on the intersection between the selected face and the sketch plane. Next, draw a line to close it. Then they are defining and constraint fully. Close the sketch and go to Pad. And change the mode to symmetrical. Go to the right view to check. Then set the length to 7. Click OK. At last, let's add a chamfer on these two edges. Make sure check the select button firstly. Then select. And set the size to 9. Click OK. Okay, you see, that's more convenient. And for the quick measurement, select an edge, then you can find the length on the bottom. And you can select a face to measure the area. And press the Ctrl key to select two lines to measure the distance. Okay, next let's talk about the Clarify Selection tool. Let me create a new body and create a new cylinder under it. Set the radius to 7.5 and height to 30. Then move the cursor on the body, select it and right-click, go to the Clarify Selection. Or you can press the G key, or by holding the left mouse button, go to Select for the object, face and edge. It's more convenient for us to select in the multi-body. And next, let's go to the transform. We can drag to move the body as before. And on the task panel, we can set the value precisely. First, for the drag mode, we have 3 options. You can modify it to the center of mass or customize it. Select a face or edge. And I will keep it on the object origin. Then we can set the snapping increment, set 10 for the translation, 15 for the rotation. Then you can move and rotate the body with the increments. And for the coordinate system, we have two options, the local and the global. First, I will show you the local one and move the body 10 mm in the local X and Y direction. And you can also use the drag to move and rotate. Then let me go to the first body, hide the transform, and show the origin. Take it as the global origin, then change the system to global. If the drag mode is set to the object origin, the values are the same as in the placement. And if it's the local system, the values are different. And this checkbox is about changing the orientation of the drag to match the global axis. You can drag the object in the direction with the global coordinate. Even if the object orientation is different, it's only available if the coordinate system is global. For the last one, move to other object. Let me show the first body and click on it. Then you can select a face to move the body on it. You can also select an edge like this circle. Next, I will show you if select this option, how the body move to other object. You will see the cylinder only move to the body on coordinate orientation. So if you find this happen, uncheck the box. And you can flip the body. Okay? That's all for the transform tool. If you have more interest for other new features in the FreeCAD, go to the released notes. I'll put the link below. Before we go, I just want to give a big thanks to the FreeCAD development team. Their work makes FreeCAD more powerful, efficient, and enjoyable for all of us. If you like what FreeCAD can do, consider supporting the project and donating. Every bit helps the team keep improving this amazing software. Thanks for watching and happy modeling. I will see you in the next one.